So magandang araw kabole. Sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin ang umuugong po na narrative ngayon, no? Yun nga po sa patungkol po sa pagre-resign nitong si Coach Chot Reyes sa kanyang post as the coach of Gilas Pilipinas. And then tutulungan natin ang NLEX, no? We will provide 3 trade suggestions kabola that can revamp their roster realistically. So, may hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So, ito muna. Sa NLEX muna tayo kabale. So, they want to revamp or rework the roster. So, nag-prepare ako ng tatlong trade. So, realistic siya. At pag pinagsama-sama mo yung tatlong trade nito, I do believe that they will have a much better roster po going or moving forward. The first one is the losing trade, kabola. Kasi of course, i-realize natin na connected pa rin sila sa MVP group. So, kailangan mo nilang pagbigyan niya. So, this will be the trade kabola, diba? So, they will give up Brandon Roser. That's the main guy that they will give up. Same with Sean Anthony. Kasi meron nga pong rumor that TNT wants to get Roser. So, sabihin na natin, mangyayari yan. Pero NLEX will still get a pretty good package. A 2024 Blackwater first that can become a top 3 pick. Next year, Troy Rosario and then Dave Marshall. First, Rosario will be the main piece. He can be, or he is, either starting center or starting big man right away. Fair trade naman tayo will be a trade with Northport. NLEX will give up Matt Nieto, Chris Rosales, and their 2024 first to get Will Navarro kabole. So, Matt Nieto is, in a way, a good prospect, pero yung difference kasi nila ni Will Navarro in terms of potential, medyo malayo pa rin, diba? So, pinakita po ni Will Navarro. So, they will give up a first next year, pero first naman nila, hawak pa rin naman nila po yung potential na top 3 pick po ng Blackwater. So, getting Will Navarro will be worth it for them. And then, the winning trade will be a simple trade po, kabola, kung saan i-give up po ng NLEX, kabola, ito pong si Dave Marcelo, na nakuha po nila dun sa 3-team trade, kabola, in exchange po for Tyrus Hill, kabola. So, Tyrus Hill, alam nyo naman na po kung gaano po ka-high in terms of the potential of this guy. So, this is more about their future. So, sabi ko naman, hindi naman dapat magmadali po ang NLEX in terms of their ability po to contend, diba? With these 3 trades, they will now have a good core of 5 po na Kevin Alas, Don Troliano, Will Navarro, Tyrus Hill, and then Troy Rosario. Then they will have that 2024 first ng Blackwater na hindi po nila by next year. Then of course their pick for this year. I think with these trades, kabola, they will have a much better future. Now, dun po sa pagkanervyoso ng mga kababayan natin, di ba? So, lumalabas nga na paano na yan, di ba? Yung Asian Games, kabola, is just 2 to 3 weeks away. Paano ba mag-prepare ang ating national team, di ba? And then, of course, nabalitaan nga natin, itong mga players po from Japan, bilig, medyo delikado rin na baka hindi rin po sila available, kabola, at napagsabi na kasi Dwight Ramos na hindi po siya magiging available. Nevertheless, remember, kabola, una, in terms of the roster construction or yung talent level, kabola, na allowed po sa Asian Games yung mga foreign or foreign players po natin na hindi na allow kasi hindi po nakakuha ng passport na 16 years old and above po sila. Like Stan Heidinger, pwede po siya sa Asian Games. Mikey Williams, pwede po yan sa Asian Games, kabola. Muayala Tautua, pwede rin po yan sa Asian Games. Brandon Roser, pwede po yan sa Asian Games. So, yung pool po natin actually is much better sa PBA, kabola, di ba? Now, of course, understood ko naman yung sinasabi nila about na kulang na sa preparation, etc. Pero, weigh the pros and cons, di ba? If keeping Coach Chot Reyes will increase the chances that he will remain as the main coach of the Gilas program, edi mas gugustuhin ko na lang po na pumalian na lang tayo dito sa paparating na Asian Games. At the very least, we will have a new coach, a new guy, kabola, that will make better decisions for our national team. Mababali sa palagay mo, wala bang magkakaproblema dito sa Asian Games? Comment lang po sa baba.